So we're going to show you how easy it is to use the ICUIRE Espresso. You can see back here, very easy to add water. It's a trough that keeps your water. You don't have to add it each time. You get a scoop with a tamper. If you get yourself some espresso, this is the 2-shot. There's also a 1-shot insert if you like. You place that in there, as much coffee as you would like. Hold it on the counter and just press down. Nice and firm. Place the coffee holder up into here. Press center till it clicks and you're ready to go. You turn the light on and it's going to warm. You have a choice between a double shot, a single shot. We're going to do a double shot today, and why that's warming. This would be where you would go if you wanted to froth your own. Tighten, and yes, you can use a larger cup. Just tuck it under, and here we go. I'm going to do a double shot. It's fast, it's convenient, and consistent results every time.